Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to solve the 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. First we'll give it a good scramble. So let's get started in solving the Rubik's Cube. First we will align all the white edge pieces around the yellow centerpiece. So we will align this red white piece to the yellow centerpiece. So we will do just a right up move to align this. Then we will find another white edge piece. So here is another white edge piece. So we will just do another R up move. Now here is again a white piece, but if we do the R up move, the other white edge piece gets displaced. So we will first do a upper layer to the left move and then do the R to up move. Then now we have made a white cross around the yellow centerpiece. So now we will align the second color of the white edge pieces. Like here this is blue, so we will align it with the blue center. So we will turn it to the blue center. Here is the blue center. So we will do 2 up moves, and then when it is aligned we will just put it down by doing 2 right moves. Then if we have another solved one like here, we will again do 2 right moves to put it down. Now we will find another white edge piece and a centerpiece to align. So here is green and green centerpiece, so we will just align it and then do the 2R move to put it down. And then here is the red white piece, so we will just do take it to the red center and put it down by 2R move. So now we will look at the bottom where is the white cross. So we will now put the white corner pieces into their place. So we will just take this white, green, red piece to the place where it has to go. So it has to go here, so we will just take it to the place. And then if the white side is on the right, we will do righty algorithm, which is R, U to the left, R down, U to the right. Then we will look for another white corner piece. So here is another white corner piece. We will take it to the place where it has to go. It has to go to the orange and blue. So here is orange and blue white corner. So we will take it to the top. It is on the left, so we will do lefty algorithm, which is L up, upper layer to the right, L down, upper layer to the left. So then we will find another white corner piece. So here is another white corner piece, so we will take it to the place where it has to go. It has to go to the orange green white corner. So we will take it to the orange green corner, and then it has white on the top, so we will do 4 righty algorithms. So here is 1, then 2, then 3. So now we will find another white corner piece. So here is another white corner piece. It has to go to the blue red corner. So here we have put it on the blue red corner, and then we will just do a righty algorithm, which is R, U to the right, R down, U to the left. So now we will pair the edge pieces. So here we found an edge piece, but it is flipped. So we will first take the do R to the up, and take this edge out by doing the up to the left, then R down. Then we will move this twice, so we will get it here. Then we will do R up, then we will do upper layer 2 times, then we will put the right layer down. So this comes up. We will now put it to the place where it has to go and solve the corner. So it has to go to the here, and it is a lefty algorithm. So we will do left layer up, right, upper layer right, left layer down, upper layer left. So now we will find another edge piece. So here is another edge piece which has to go here. So we will just put the edge piece to the place it has to go. So it has to go to green. So we will put it one side away. So we will put it to the blue. Turn the right layer upwards. Take out the corner by moving the upper layer left, then moving the right layer down, then putting the corner to the place where it has to go, and then fixing it. Like here we have to again do the lefty algorithm. So we will do this, and we will solve the edge piece. So here we have to find another edge piece which has to go. So it has to go to the orange blue edge. So here is the orange blue edge. So we will put it on the orange because it is facing orange is facing here. So now we will have to find where it has to go. It has to go to this side. So we will make it go to that side, and then we will take out the corner and then solve the corner with the edge piece. So like here, and then your edge piece is solved. So only one is left. So we will find this. We have found the edge piece. We've put it to a place which is facing, this is facing orange. So we will make it go to the other side where it has to go. So it has to go here, but we will make it go there. So now we will take out the corner by doing the lefty algorithm because it has gone to the right. So we will do L up, U to the right, L down, U to the left. Then we will solve this corner by righty algorithm, and we have solved the second layer. So now we have to solve the last layer. So this is a dot pattern. So we will do for this layer the clockwise once. This is called an F move. So we will do an F move and then do the righty algorithm. Now we have got this L-like case. So we will now move these two layers and then do the righty algorithm again, and then fix these layers. So we will now get an yellow cross. Now we have to solve all the corner at the right spot. First we have to fix the edges to the right spot, then the corners. So this is side by side. So we will do the soon algorithm once, like this. R up, U one time, R down, U again, R up, U2, and then R down. So this will solve all the edges with the centers. So here red, blue, orange and green edges are all aligned with the centers. So now we will fix the corner pieces. So we have to find a corner piece which is already at the right place. So this is at the right place, so we will do the Nicholas algorithm, which is R up, U right, L up, U left, R down, U right, L down, U, and then align all the edge pieces. So here we will get all the corner pieces at the right place. So now if you have gotten some corner pieces that are not solved, so you have to put the yellow layer down and put the white layer up and find the corner pieces which are not at the right place and do the right algorithm till they are solved. So here is one corner piece that is not solved, so we will do R up, U to the left, R down, U to the right. That was one. Then we will do the second one. Now this is solved, so we will move on to the next one. So it is here. Then we will do one righty algorithm, two righty algorithms, three righty algorithms, and four righty algorithms. Now your cube is solved. If you enjoyed this video, like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.